Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to make your Facebook profile picture private. So let's start the video. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture or name at the top to go to your profile page. Tap on your profile picture. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Select Edit Privacy. In the privacy settings, select Only Me to make your profile picture private. You can also choose friends if you want only your friends to see your profile picture. Now tap Done or Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. Your Facebook profile picture is now private. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.